What's up guys, welcome back to another drawing video. Today we're going to draw a simple cartoon bunny. We're going to need a Sharpie for this lesson. Let's go. So first, we're going to draw the eye, and it's like one line like this. And then the same thing going all the way around like this. And then we're going to draw a line like this, and then color that in. And then we're going to draw the head, so it will start like this, and then the nose will be off like this, and then going off like this. And after that, we're going to draw the body off like this. And then the legs will be up like this. And then the same thing here. Legs. Another line here. But let's draw a line here. Because it's sitting. If you've seen any picture of a bunny sitting. So we're going to continue like this for the bunny, and then let's draw the ears. They kind of come out like this, and after that another ear like this, and then coming back here. So the ear would be like this, and then the inner thing would be like this. The black would be here because it's a shadow. And then after that, the same thing over here. And then we could draw the tail. It's kind of simple. It's just like this. So the reason I drew the bunny's body really big is because you can feel some sort of creative imagination here. Like, so first we're gonna draw a circle like this, and then you can fill any stuff you want. So you, I'm just gonna draw some stuff like this. It's actually a bunny inside the basket, and then I'm gonna draw some eggs like this. And then here I could just finish it up here by drawing some sort of strawberries or something. This isn't a creative bunny, so you can do anything you want. And yeah, that's how you draw and do a creative bunny for an activity. You could kind of use this at school. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe. And if you want to see more videos, check out my channel. It's called Sushi Fun Vlogs. And I also did some Lego videos. And see you guys next time. Bye.